My name's Tyler Ravelle. I'm here at the Scout Hub and I'm picking up my new Kenai today.
All right, you want to come take a look?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Come on in.
Holy dude. It feels like Christmas.
Yeah, take a look inside.
Wow. Mel, look how freaking big it is. It's huge. Feels like home already.
It really does.
Oh, okay, I'm going up.
Get in there.
I'm never leaving. I'm taking this thing going straight to Mexico, and I think I might sell my house because this already feels more comfy. And we're going straight to Baja to shoot the Baja 1000 with the Red Bull team, and this is going to be my mobile office.
But yeah, you guys are more than welcome when we're doing your truck and stuff like that to just like check out the camper. I want to get your truck all prepped and ready, and then we'll bring you back in. We'll do the walk through the camper, and we'll do the loading and all that kind of stuff.
So sweet.
Yeah. Right about right there.
Oh yeah.
So today we're going to do the Timbren bump stops. They're super nice, no maintenance, and then we're going to do the plug in the box. So we're actually going to put that basically about right here in your box so that you can plug in your 7-way straight in your box. You don't have to dangle it all the way down here. You can just
nice
plug
and
it right
tidy.
there. Nice and tidy.
We like that.
And then we also have the nice bed mat that we're going to put in here.
I mean, I have no questions because Jordan's basically just laid it all out for me. I get to just pull in and have Jordan do all the hard work. I get to just drink coffee and have fun and talk. So
Yeah. Speaking of coffee, it's time for you to grab a coffee.
I know. This is my coffee break. Had a bit of a long drive from Whistler. Hit a long espresso. Yeah, I can hear the wrenches firing and my latte's firing, so it's a win-win.
So here at the Scout Hub, we have an option. When you get your camper, we can do a pro install delivery. And so basically what that is it makes your truck completely ready so that you can load that camper and head out on your adventure. What it includes is a 7-way cord. So you got this. This will run the marker lights and also charge your house battery inside your camper. It includes a nice thick bed mat. Every truck has a slightly different orientation for the camper, so it might be a little bit thicker than this, it might be thinner than this. There we go. But this is our standard size, 1/2-inch bed mat. Makes it so the camper doesn't slide around. And then as well, we do a plug in the box. And this one actually has a pre-drilled hole, so we actually put a hole here, put the plug here. It attaches to your 7-way plug down here. And so you can have the 7-way cord inside your truck box without having a cable dangling all over the place. So that's a super nice feature. One of the things we offer here is the Timbrens and the pack brake airbag. And so the Timbrens are like a nice big bump stop. They're progressive. They're super nice. There's not a lot of maintenance that goes with them. The pack brake, they're really nice as well. They're actually just down the road from us. And the Alphas actually have a bump stop built in, so you don't actually even have to worry about pressure when you not have the camper on your truck. So those are two options that you can do beyond the pro install. Okay, so this is the Timbren bump stop SES, and so it's going to replace the factory bump stop in here, and so it's going to sit about right like this, and so you can see the big difference. And so when the back of the truck goes down, you got your progressive bit here, and then your bit here that's going to actually push back to help the truck so it doesn't sag. Yeah, so the Timbren's really nice in that way, and there's no maintenance to it either. You basically put it in and you forget about it. All right, there we go. You got your plug in the box back here.
Oh yeah.
So basically
that looks so good.
And then just
nothing dangling?
Yeah, nothing dangling out of the way. So we will kind of start the walk around here. Yeah, here's your diesel heater. It's a S-Bar 2K diesel heater. Here, this is where it gets really hot. So then maybe some cracking. And a lot of people just have the back side here. Just basic storage. And then I think it's truck loading time. The moment we've all been waiting for. And there, stop there. Perfect, full send, full send.
to look at it, okay? Growing up, camping, I never thought I'd have a rig like this. This is just gonna be the most epic adventure rig of life. Like, so grateful. Mexico.